Well, good morning, everyone. It is Liz here on behalf of Class Act, and it's Tuesday morning, which means we finally have an unboxing video for you guys. Now, today is going to be short and sweet because we don't have a lot of new arrivals to share, but I mean, some is better than nothing. So, without any further ado, I'm just going to hop right into things. So starting off with this product, this is a powder tool, which is fabulous because it actually deactivates the adhesive on things like stickers, chipboard stickers, things like that. So instead of using baby powder or something that might leave a residue, this powder tool is great. It's got a brush tip and then there's powder in the compartment here. And all you do is just like kind of brush it on and it like undoes the adhesive. So this is really fun if you're making the dancing anything from Spellbinders. If you want to put this around the edge of your foam dots as well, it just makes it easier for the legs to swing. So this is a powder tool. That's my range. We also have some VersaFine in the Warm Breeze. This is a beautiful color. It is a pigment ink. And when you think Warm Breeze, I wouldn't have thought blue, but it's a gorgeous color. VersaFine is really great for stamping. It just makes crisp, clear stamps. So we love that. Stamped images. Then we have some Wink of Stella. This is a 3-pack in the clear, which if you guys know about Wink of Stella and you know this time of year is the holiday season, you're probably doing all kinds of Christmas cards. If you want to bling them up and embellish them, Wink of Stella is fabulous, and the clear glitter is my absolute favorite because it just adds a bit of shimmer without no fuss, no muss. We have some Ideology things in stock, starting off with some bottle brush trees. These are a set of 5. It's called Tree Lot. Very cute if you're into like the miniatures or the vignettes and things that you can do with the Ideology stuff. People love these and they look amazing. So if you make anything, please send it our way. We have Cutter Bee scissors back in stock. We have magnetic discs. Watch them stick to my craft mat. We have self-sealing bags in the 4 3/4 by 5 3/4. So perfect for tucking in like little cards or things if you're part of swap groups. These are really fun. If you're doing little like make and takes for the family, super fun. And they're great for storage too. So love these. Speaking of love, I don't know, this is not a new thing, but I just found out about it. So these are little itty bitty alphabet dies from Tim Holtz and Sizzix, but they're like teeny tiny. I actually have one. Maybe I'll open mine. But they're like the teeniest, tiniest little alphabet letters, and they make a really cute font. Somebody had them at the crop, and I was like, how did you do that? So shout out to Janet. They are adorable. I'll open mine so you guys can see it because I had to order myself a set too. No shame. So they come with all kinds of exclamation marks and hashtags, asterisks, etc. Maybe? No, I don't see that. Whatever. They come with all kinds of things. So let's see. They have letters, numbers. Just want to spell out a word for you guys. Let's do here. As I fumble through these. Well, whatever. We'll spell out a non-word. So, look how tiny these are, first of all. So, it's going to be backwards, but I have the beginning of rad. No, I don't. That's a V. Whatever. It's so cute and so tiny, and like these make wonderful little custom sentiments for cards, scrapbook projects, journals, you name it, tags, gift tags. So it's really cute, really teeny tiny letters, and I love them. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to do something with mine. There we have it. So these are called Alphanumeric Tiny Type Uppercase. I don't believe they make a lowercase for this set, although I could be wrong. So there you have it. Anything I'm sharing in today's unboxing video will be listed at classac.ca. If you click on the month of November, because I don't think we have any new arrivals yet for December, but we're hoping to sooner rather than later. So stay tuned for that. There we go. Up next, we have some enchanting little smart glasses dies from Spellbinders. So these fit on a lot of their little characters, but they're also really cute if you wanted to turn them into sunglasses and just pop them throughout a page or a project. Really cute little embellishment ideas there. We have this guy from Doodlebug. This is a doodle cut. It's called Be Happy. And it actually cuts out all of the following. So you get the beehive, you get the little bumblebees, their cute little faces here, the words be happy, some flowers, some little stripes for your bees. So like, it's the cutest thing ever. So you can basically make your own unlimited bees, Doodlebug bees, even better with this guy. We have some Bestie beaded bracelets from Spellbinders. So these actually cut little bracelet shapes, so you can customize your little charm bracelets. You can slip them on the hands that they make. They're really, really cute. I wish I brought a sample. We have the Mirrored Arch Nested Springs Better Press Plate. So this one is like a set of several different plates that you can build up. You can make it like a full card front, for example, saying you are the best, or you can use the you are the best separately. You can use this separately, this, and so on. And it's really, really cute. You can do different colors. If you've seen Sandra use them on a previous video, they look amazing in different colors. We also have an arched labels and tag die from Spellbinders. So I love an arch die. You can't go wrong having one in your stash. So here's this one. And I love that it's like kind of a, I don't know, I want to say like a more pointed arch, which is very cool. And then there's like an actual tag piece here. So you can make cute little like tags and labels and things with your arch labels and tag die. We have this wonderful stencil from Tim Holtz. This one is a color wheel. So it's great for like, if you want to swatch your different inks, you can start from like darkest to lightest, for example, and blend them out, or vice versa. Or you can do some really funky color wheels. Again, so fun in journals and tags. So that's that one. Some printed magnetic sheets from Sizzix. These are, if you haven't stored your dies before on these are great. And I love the minty sort of pattern as well. And I believe it coordinates with the mint colored storage envelope. So if you're getting into organizing the new year, your craft supplies, this is a great little number to start off with. Speaking of better press colors, we have this set. This one's called Tropical, and it has some really beautiful colors. You have the Peridot, the Tiger, Teal Topaz, and Azure. Then we have some really cool dies from All in Create. These are Star Bolted Sentiments, and they actually work for, oh my gosh, what are these things called? Where you stick your paper in like a rotary thing. I don't know. My brain's not working. Then we have Neighborhoods, also so stinking cute. I love the little like neighborhoods it does. So if you have one of these, it's a Rolodex. If you have a Rolodex and you want to kind of decorate it for the season, you're off to a good start with those. Then we have some Studio Light stamps. These are cute. So they say, oh, what fun, oops, winter wishes. So you could have a little snowman melting and put oops. And so on and so forth. Oh, look, see, they stole my idea. Oops. Really cute. So, oh, what fun. We also have this one from Studio Light. If you're into trees, this one is gorgeous. It's got sort of a regular tree as well as an evergreen of some sort and some stars. It's called Winter Night. Absolutely lovely. More from Studio Light, the Grunge collection. This one is called Snowy Winter Times. So pretty. It's got a lantern. It's got all kinds of filigree, winter and snow time, and some splotches as well. Oh, There's an even better image on the back for you guys to see. Love it. And then I am obsessed with this. This is a really cute Arctic landscape stencil from Studio Light. It's got trees, it's got deers, it's got snowflakes, and like this alone would be a gorgeous, simple card friend. So if you're looking for something last minute or something fairly user-friendly, this would be highly recommended in my books. Or don't, because I want it to. And then last but not least, we have a 6x6 Christmas Rose paper pad from Crafter's Companion. Yes. I can't open it to show you, so I'm just going to share the back with you guys. But look at these gorgeous designs. So very like Victorian, lovely rose-colored Christmas blue. So non-traditional, but again, stunning paper collection. Here's a sneak peek. Look at the snowmen, the Santa. It's just beautiful. So that concludes today's unboxing. Like I said, it was quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you see anything you like, check us out, classactstamps.ca. Click on shop, new arrivals, and November. Stay tuned because I'm hoping to add more this week for December. And I'll share it with you guys on the next unboxing. And meanwhile, I'm going to put all of the extra Steal the Deal stuff into the clearance section. So stay tuned for that as well. Wish me luck and have a great day and a great week, everybody. I will see you all next time. Bye!